Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna teach you how to make this fluffy flower hair tie in just few minutes. If you are a beginner, you can also easily make this by following this tutorial video. So watch this video till the end. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment, or any other, if you want any other tutorials video, you can comment down below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon so if I posted a new video you will be notified. And there are other many tutorials video available on my YouTube channel. You can go and check it out. It's so easy and beginner friendly. Everyone, you can easily make this by following this tutorial video. So without delay, let's begin our video. As you can see, I only made one. Let's make the another one. For making this fluffy flower, we're gonna need a red color yarn and make a magic ring. We are going to make a magic ring, and then chain one. In the magic ring we are going to make 12 single crochet. As you can see, 1 and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and then 8, 9, 10, 11 and then 12. After making 12 double crochet, single crochet, we are going to pull the yellow yarn of the magic ring. Pull the yarn tightly to close the hole, and we are going to make a single crochet in the first we are going to make slip stitch in the first single crochet. My tongue slipped. Then make 2 chains. After making 2 chains, we are going to make the row 2. We are going to make double crochet, but we are going to not tie all the loop, just like I'm doing. Just repeat the pattern what I'm doing 3 times in the one stitch, and then again 3 times in the next stitch, 3 double crochet, just like I'm doing. After that, pull the loop all from this loop, and then chain 2 and slip stitch in the next stitch. We are going to make slip stitch. After that, again chain 2. In the same stitch we are going to make double crochet 3 times, just like that. 3. Again 3 times in the next stitch. 1 and then 2 and then 3. We have loops on our hook. Pull from the all loops from your hook, then chain 2 and then slip stitch in the next stitch. We are going to make a slip stitch in the next stitch, and again chain 2, make 3 double crochet in the same stitch. We are going to repeat the pattern what we did before all the way around in this circle, in this 12 single crochet circle. So just 3 times in this, and then 3 times in next. 1, 2, 3. Again repeat the pattern all the way around, and I will show you what to do next. As you can see, we have completed the flower part. After completing the part, round, slip stitch, and then we are going to make chain 1 and then cut the yarn. Then we are going to leave a long tail because we need it to attach the hair tie at last. So leave a long tail and then pull the yarn through and tighten it. As you can see, our flower part is ready. Fluffy flower. Now we are going to make the middle part, white color part in the flower. For that, make a magic ring, then chain 2. We are going to yarn over, pull the yarn through, again yarn over, pull the yarn through, yarn over, pull the yarn through, again yarn over, pull the yarn through, again yarn over, pull the yarn through, and then yarn over, pull the yarn through, and we are going to yarn over and pull through all the loops on your hook, then chain 3, and then slip stitch in the magic ring, again chain 1 and cut the yarn. We are going to cut the yarn. Just cut it and pull it, pull the yarn through. We are going to pull the yarn of the magic ring also. Now take one of the loop from the another side to attach it in the flower part, flower middle part. Just repeat the steps what I'm doing, just follow it. Now we are going to put it in the middle and just repeat what I'm doing, just do what I'm doing. You can use yarn needle to attach it, but I'm using the hook to pull the yarn from one side to another side of the white color to attach it in the back side of the fluffy flower. So just repeat the pattern what I'm doing, and I will show you what to do next. After attaching the middle part, we are going to hide the yarn tails with the help of yarn needles. You can cut it, but I am doing it for its extra security. It make it more secure by hiding the yarn tails, hiding the little yarn tails, and after cutting it, just follow it. I'm using a yarn needles to hide the yarn tails, extra yarn. Do as I'm doing right now, and I will show you what to do next. have hide the 3 yarns from this, but we are not going to hide the another yarn because we need it to attach in the hair tie. So just insert your hook in the back side and then pull the yarn from any stitch and then chain 3, make chain 3, 1, 2 and then 3, just like I'm doing. Make chain 3. As you can see, after making chain 3 we need a hair tie to attach it. Just place it what I'm doing, just place it in a right way, place it just like that, and then we are going to slip stitch just like we did before. Slip stitch in any stitch, insert your hook opposite side of the any stitch, just like insert it and then slip stitch with the pattern slip stitch, then chain 1 and pull the yarn and tighten it. As you can see, our flower is attached to the hair tie. So now we are going to hide the yarn, the extra yarn, to get it more extra security. We are going to hide the yarn with the help of yarn needles. Just hide this yarn also with the help of yarn needles, and I will show you what to do next. After hiding the yarn tails, our fluffy flower hair tie is ready. As you can see, it's a beautiful and easy tutorial. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I hope you like it. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comments. If you want any other tutorial video, you can just let me know in the comments. I will try to teach you how to make and upload the tutorial video, and there are also many tutorials available on my YouTube channel. You can go and check it out. I posted weekly in my channel different tutorial videos, so you can go and watch it. So thank you so much for watching this video everyone. Then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, so if I posted a new video you will be notified. And if you want to order anything from me, you can message me on Instagram and TikTok. My Instagram and TikTok ID is also Crafts with Suruchi. You can message me there. Thank you so much for watching everyone. Keep loving and keep supporting. Bye bye.